Mess around! Hello everyone and welcome to Mess Around TV, and today, as you can see, we are hosting our Philosopher Mess Party. I am Chrissy Potter and this is Hermione, little Bronwyn, and this is Harry Potter, aka Heidi.
Hello.
We have a fantastic session lined up for you today. We've got some potion making. We're going to be making, yes guys, I know you love it at home, slime. Also in our Philosopher Mess Pack, dragon eggs. We've got spaghetti broomsticks, and we've also got some dragon eyes, which are water beads. Poor dragons. We've also got some fantastic arts and crafts activities, from wands to lightning bolt, bookmarks, Harry Potter tie, glasses, rock painting and wizard hats. So let's get stuck in to the sessions. So today I wanted to show you that we've got some fantastic potions. So kids love making potions. You can come up with some fantastic ideas from, we've got water beads. You can have water beads, you could have soap slime, which we've got in this one. You could have bubbly water, look at this nice blue one, bubbly water. And you could have some bicarb and then put some vinegar in it, and then you get a big potion coming out. So those are some fantastic potions that you could try out. We've got dragon eggs, which are Play-Doh and gems. So these are really cool and the kids will love making these. And if you've got any air dry clay, that's another great activity to try out at home. And you could also have a go at making your own broomstick paintbrushes. Now check these out. So these are really cool. The kids get painting, making their mark. Very simple to make, and the instructions on how to make them are included in our mess pack. So the girls today are going to be making some slime. Yes, that's right. They love slime in our house. So we're going to be making some slime. Heidi is going to have some purple slime. Just leave it there a second, Heidi. And Bronwyn's going to be making some blue slime. So what you need for this is a bowl. You need some PVA glue, some paint, or you could use food colouring. And you're going to need, first of all, mix it, girls. So get mixing, mix up your...
Look at it, smell it.
Oh, we're going to put a little bit of scent in as well. So mix it all through. So mix them through, get the kids to mix it through at home. Other things just to be aware of at home, make sure if you've got long hair and you're making slime, tie it back. So I'm just going to tie mine back right now because you don't want glue in your hair. Right, have we mixed it through, girls? Right. There you've done. Just mix, 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 mix. These are going to be a little slime. Right, then you need a dash of what we called magic dust, but it's just bicarbonate soda. Okay, so you just need a little sprinkle.
Magic dust.
We're going to mix that in. Bronwyn's going to mix hers in. So get mixing that through. And then we're going to add a little bit of this bubble gum flavour. So it's a smell, so, ooh, so let's see. Let me put a little tiny bit in. Mix that through.
Oh, it smells lovely.
See what that's like. And then the special ingredient, the activator, which is contact lens solution. And basically you need the solution that has boric acid in, otherwise it doesn't work. So we're going to put a tiny bit into Heidi's.
For some reason it smells of camping out.
Get mixing and get mixing. Right.
That's a little bit more.
Keep mixing. You don't need more. Right. Can I just borrow that a minute, Heidi? Keep mixing it through until you start getting it into this type of consistency. And then it should be ready. And you do need some strong arms for this mixing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Instead of going on your
Shh. Right. So this is nearly done. I think it needs a bit more activator.
How come we have more bubble gum?
Because the bubble gum won't make it become slime.
Please.
Mine doesn't smell that much.
Yeah, I don't smell any of mine.
Right. Keep going. Here we go. Right. Now we've got some slime. And then you need to take it out of your bowl and then you can start working it. Oh, and then
Ew, I'm not holding that.
purple slime. That looks nice and slimy. Now, you can do loads of different tricks at home with your slime. You could do popping. So let me just put this one back in the bowl second.
Can you have some more of this?
You could do, this one's that, so you can get nice and stretchy. You could do the longest stretch. You could blow bubbles. You could do unicorn poos. You could do all sorts with your slime. You can poke it, and then you could make it into a good crunch. Let's see if this one's got a crunch. Oh, it's got some nice purple in it now. Oh, not much of a crunch in that one, Bronwyn. Oh, Bronwyn's got her blue slime out now. Let's have a look, Bronwyn. Give us a big stretch. Oh, so that's how you make slime, and you could make all different ones. You could make potions. What's the type of slimes and stuff they have in the movies, girls?
They have
Come on. Polly.
juice.
What did you do?
Polyjuice.
All right, you wouldn't have thought that these children have read all the Harry Potter books and watched the movies and they don't know all the slimes.
Polyjuice.
Right.
I said that first.
Right, so that's how you make slime at home. And then once you've got it made and you want the children to put it away, and this one we made a couple of months ago, so this is how long they last, you can just put them into a clear pot and then that will keep them safe, and obviously they can use again for the future. So slime is good fun to make with. Right, other things that you could do for arts and crafts. We've got some fantastic ideas. Paper plate. Definitely, we love a paper plate here at Mess Around. You can make your own wizard hats. You could make your own Harry Potter. This is a lightning bolt bookmark, so if your children love to read. We've also got these brilliant little ones which you paint with glitter and the trees from the branches, so this is really good fun. And we've got in our template, you can download your own little ties, so you can create your own little Harry Potter ties. They are going to be available in our mess pack, along with these fantastic little homemade glasses. So you could make your own little glasses that you can wear at home. And then the girls had fun creating their own little Harry Potter rock painting using acrylic pens, which are they're very easy to use and are good fun. So those are fantastic Philosopher's Mess activities that you could try out at home. If you'd love what the session was today, then you can download our Philosopher Mess Pack, which is going to be available on the website at www.messarounduk.com, and have all the instructions, have all the downloads, and get the kids involved and get creating your own Philosopher Mess party at home. So, wow, that's a good crunch. Yeah, right. So while the girls get crunching and slime making, we're going to say goodbye. So give them a big slime wave, Heidi. Bye for now.